Hello, welcome to Bimp, episode 2, Battle and Melon Playground. Here I have my lovely assistant, M344. And here we have the others. And today's challenge will not be a Valentine's Day special. Valentine's Day special. Seems kinda early for that. But it's gonna be a sports challenge. Right? So all you have to do is make it. And the person who makes it first gets to receive a little prize. Why is there a robot over here? I don't mind it. Oh. I know. Oh no. Oh no, what is it? Yeah, what have you done? Quiet. Wow, it's like God was here. Oh, I missed out. That hurt. Let your inner peace awaken you. Let's go. And you get to pick for a new person to join the show. Who are they? I'm not gonna tell you. C or P.